What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be talking about Snapchat on the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I wanted to do a little bit of an education piece before I started this video. Obviously, we're going to be taking a look at Snapchat on the LG Stylo 4 right here, but I just want to, send out a PSA to everyone who is uneducated about this topic. I know a ton of you might already know this already, but this is for the people who don't. So yes, Apple is way more optimized when it comes to Snapchat, and Android has a lot more devices. So therefore, it's very, very hard for Snapchat coders to optimize Snapchat for devices like the LG Stylo 4, the Blade Z Max, the Avid 4, the Defiant, all these are the devices that we see at Metro PCS, more on the Android side right here. There are very, very few devices on Apple, iPhone 8, 8 Plus. You guys already know the deal with that, because I've been getting a ton of comments saying, why is Apple better? Why isn't Android, up to par with this? There are very few Android devices that are optimized, fully optimized for Snapchat. The more popular devices, maybe like the Note 8, Note 9, Galaxy S9, other flagships that are up there next to all those other Apple devices that are already optimized are probably going to get it first. Honestly, it's just business. The most popular phone gets the more optimized app first because there's more people there. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how Snapchat is on the LG Stylo 4. This is low light for the LG Stylo 4. Color reproduction is absolutely horrible. It looks super washed out, and yeah. Alright guys, so we are in a well lit area now. Contrast is way better, colors are popping now, and just looks way better. Alright, so this is the rear facing camera in low light. Definitely a better experience with this camera in low light. As you guys can see right here, front facing camera was really bad. But yeah, this is usable. Definitely not the best camera in the world. I think even the Blade Z Max did a way better job than this. But yeah. Alright everyone, so this is the rear facing camera for Snapchat. Colors do tend to pop more on the rear facing cameras, so looking way better. Definitely still a little shaky, so we still have some shakiness, and yeah, but way better than the front facing camera.
Another thing I wanted to test out was the filters, because I know a lot of you use the filters. I've tried every single filter on Snapchat and it seems to work just fine.
Alright guys, so there you go. You saw some samples. Honestly, it is usable if you do use Snapchat and this is your last, resort to use Snapchat or whatever. Definitely usable. Definitely if you're outside and stuff like that. Even with pictures, in good lighting, it looks really nice. So outside and different things like that. Sadly, I didn't go outside today because it was raining. Here in California, it's just really, really bad weather. It's about 100 degrees and it was raining, so just tropical weather out there. But you're definitely going to get some good photos if you're either outside or in good light. As you guys saw, very, very washed out photos when you're in low light. As far as video recording goes, you guys saw it. The color pops when you guys have good lighting. It almost looks black and white when there is not good lighting, so that is a con about this. Stabilization isn't amazing on here, and it's pretty shaky as well, but honestly still usable. LG Stylo 4, definitely still a usable phone. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.